Hello everyone, I'm Michael. Welcome to another Golden Insight update. Today we're updating you on the giant pumpkin we showed a few weeks back in a video. We got it into a mound here. It's growing incredibly, and I'm using the cocoa fiber as a mulch here today. So you can kind of dig in and look at the layers. I put down a bunch of fresh worm castings, then some composted forest material, and then the cocoa on top to layer. And we're just gonna keep layering stuff on here as the pumpkin gets better, treat it like a sheet mulch, just build that biological activity and try and get the most giant pumpkin we can. Let's take a look. So first we'll get through this cocoa. You start getting into this aged forest material. This is basically just composted sawdust and lawn clippings, organic of course. And as you start to get a little deeper, you start to get into these worm castings. You see all these baby worms already moving up into the forest material. Look how many babies they are. Oh my God. See what other creepy crawlies we can find hanging out in here. There's all sorts of stuff. We got adult worms, baby worms, an ant here and there. All sorts of shredders doing their job to make this organic matter, nutrients, available for the plant.